Do you ever feel like you're always one step behind the market, constantly missing out on those key signals that could have been profitable trades? You're not alone. It's a common challenge many traders face, navigating through the noise to find those elusive, game-changing signals. But what if I told you there's a way to turn the tables? Welcome back to Trade IQ, where today I'm unveiling the 5 best TradingView indicators to detect hidden signals. These tools are more than just indicators. They're your solution to cut through the market clutter and uncover the opportunities that most traders never see. I guarantee you'll be stunned at what the indicator on the first place is capable of. Without wasting time, let's dive into how each of these powerful tools can transform your trading strategy. On the 5th place, I put a brand new indicator called Breaks and Retests with Volatility Stop by Getty. Most traders don't know about the existence of this tool yet. And let me tell you something. The signals given by it in the live market are so powerful that no other indicator like MACD or RSI can compare. Generally, the break and retest indicator strives to provide a visual aid for spotting areas of continuation and pullbacks. Support and resistance levels are drawn out automatically and have sequential conditions in place to determine a breakout following an eventual retest. The indicator's calculations aren't searching for the perfect retest within the zone, but instead focuses its attention towards price fluctuation around the zone. This allows the indicator to yield more results than it would otherwise. In the following example, you can observe how a potential retest is established. The retests are updated constantly until they're confirmed, and deleted if not. If a potential retest is active and the next candle drops below the value when the potential retest was detected, a retest is placed. A great strategy would be to use this indicator in conjunction with a trend filter, such as a trader's trend dashboard, for instance. A long trade can be initiated on a bullish retest with a condition that the dominant trend is positive. A stop loss can be placed below the recent swing. You can also set alerts for any breakout or retest, which makes this indicator time efficient too. Whether you're a day trader reacting to short-term volatility or a swing trader looking for more significant trend reversals, this indicator's versatile nature makes it adaptable to a wide range of trading styles and strategies. The 4th indicator on my list is called the Channels with Patterns by Chart Prime. This tool is similar to the previous one. However, this one uses trend lines to identify sniper entries. This indicator uses a single pivot in conjunction with a smooth version of the price to estimate the direction of an emerging trend. Using ATR, this indicator estimates the volatility of the new trend by adjusting the channel size by a multiple of the current ATR. In conjunction with forming estimated trend channels, this indicator features select candlestick patterns. These candlestick patterns are filtered by location in the formed trend channel. If the price is within an extremity of the trend channel, the pattern will appear. For example, a bearish inverted hammer appearing when filtered in an upper zone might add an extra level of real-time unique confluence. This indicator is more advanced than the previous breaks and retests tool, however. It follows the same principle. Once the trend direction has been identified using the breakout, the tool searches for an optimal entry on a price pullback. Candlestick patterns during such a pullback is a good way to anticipate a future trend continuation. Traders can use this script as a general trend line indicator that is a bit more forward-looking than others, or it can be used as a full-blown trend channel estimator. So, give it a try, backtest it in the market you're willing to trade with it, and let's move on to my next pick. The indicator on the 3rd place is the Trend Line Scythes by Eli Cobra. I can assure you, you have not seen such an indicator on TradingView yet. This tool automatically detects and draws special curved trend lines, resembling scythes or blades, based on pivotal points in price action. These trend lines adapt to the volatility of the market, providing a unique perspective on trend dynamics. Trendline Scythes includes features for automatic breakout detection, signaling potential trend changes. Additionally, the indicator assists with target detection, helping traders set realistic and data-driven profit-taking levels based on market volatility. This can be adjusted in the indicator's inputs. The idea behind using trend blades instead of regular trend lines is to prevent false breakouts. The space between two lines is a neutral zone. The candlestick can close inside it, yet it won't be considered a breakout until both lines are breached. Once the breakout has been identified, the indicator provides a target price. To protect you even further against fakeouts, the indicator marks invalid breakouts. Typically, the trendline size indicator gives accurate signals. However, I recommend combining it with oscillators, supply and demand indicators for better results. If you think the indicators discussed so far are great, wait until you see the next tool. The second indicator on my list is called Inversion Fair Value Gaps by Lux Algo. This brand new script was published a couple of days ago. The trade entries this indicator gives are truly wonderful. Before we get into practical examples, let's learn how the inversion fair value gap functions. It is important to mention that this indicator is based on the inversion fair value gaps concept by ICT. It provides support and resistance zones based on mitigated fair value gaps. Once mitigation of a fair value gap occurs, the tool detects the zone as an inverted FVG. This would now be considered for potential support or resistance. Mitigation occurs when the price closes above or below the fair value gap area in the opposite direction of its bias. Check the following example. After the fair value gap has been mitigated, returning an inversion fair value gap, a signal is displayed each time the price retests the zone and breaks below or above, depending on the direction of the fair value gap. You get the idea. Instead of opening a trade at the fair value gap retest, you can now have a much smarter option to open the position at the fair value gap pullback after such a gap has been broken. An indicator such as this can be used as a first confirmation. It works great with volume indicators, oscillators, and trend channels. Here's an example of how I would use it in my strategy. First, I would install the Adaptive Trend Finder by Julian Esch as a second confirmation indicator. For better results, I would set the long-term channel. For a buy trade, I use the following rules. First, the market is in the uptrend. The uptrend is confirmed by the Trend Finder channel pointing upwards. As a result, the price is making higher highs and higher lows. Second rule, the indicator gives a buy alert, which signals a retest of an inverted fair value gap. With these simple rules in place, you'll be able to spot profitable trade entries unavailable to most traders. Test this strategy out on a demo account and feel free to add some extra confluences if needed. Topping my list is my personal indicator called the Trade IQ Toolkit. After years of studying different indicators and price action, I finally came up with a tool that I believe to be the most effective on the TradingView platform. This is the type of tool every trader should have in their strategy to become consistently profitable. We all know that 80 to 90% of trading success comes down to three things. 1. A trading strategy with clearly defined rules that has been proven to work over time. 2. Reliable risk management with consistent stop loss and take profit targets. 3. A solid trading psychology. The Trade IQ indicator helps you with all these aspects. With this tool, you can build any strategy that suits your needs. What sets this tool apart is its all-encompassing approach to market analysis, providing you with an all-in-one solution. Unlike other indicators that focus on specific aspects of trading, the Trade IQ tool offers a multifaceted approach. It combines price action analysis, trend identification, and volumetric analysis, offering a more comprehensive view of the market than any single indicator you know. It includes features like supply and demand analysis, trade entries with targets and stop losses, and trend lines with breakouts. Additionally, it integrates advanced concepts such as ghost order blocks that predict future support and resistance levels. The indicator settings can be customized to fit individual trading styles, making it a versatile tool for both novice and experienced traders. With the integration of multi-time frame analysis and a market bias dashboard, the indicator contributes to a strategic edge. For those of you who can't wait to try this indicator out, Click the first link in the description and get your Trade IQ toolkit risk-free.